In the previous video, you followed the powerful footsteps of the lions, kings in the shadows, ambushing their prey with brute strength and thunderous roars. But in this video, you'll witness a different level of predation, where victory doesn't come from strength, but from strategic intelligence, absolute coordination, and a rare kind of loyalty in the wild. Hit that subscribe button because life or death moments never wait. African wild dogs, warriors in mottled coats like battle armor, ears always perked like antennas capturing every signal from nature, and eyes so sharp they make even hyenas cautious. They don't hunt randomly. They operate like a special forces unit where each individual is a perfect link in an unbreakable hunting machine. What truly makes these warriors powerful, despite having no manes and no sharp claws? It's not muscle. It's not natural weapons. It's something far more terrifying. Unconditional unity, superior organization, and a built-in instinct for teamwork that feels programmed. To understand why they almost never fail, we must look deeper, not just at how they hunt, but at how they live. Look closer at a pack of African wild dogs. Each individual is a vital link. Each glance reflects unity, and every chase is a symphony of speed, strategy, and unwavering loyalty. The pack is everything to them. They're not solitary like leopards. They don't quarrel like hyenas. African wild dogs live, fight, breed, and die together. Each pack has an alpha pair, usually one male and one female allowed to breed, while the rest dedicate their lives to one mission: raising the next generation. Amazingly, without any formal training, wild dogs operate like a military unit. They have formations, strategies, leaders, blockers, and even members who rescue their teammates under pressure. Lions ambush with brute force. Leopards hide, waiting for the perfect split second to strike. But African wild dogs take a completely different path. They hunt with intellect and a chilling persistence. No hiding, no waiting, no surprise attack. They run relentlessly, pushing prey into panic and exhaustion. It's a calculated pursuit. The pack splits into smaller teams, encircling from all sides, cutting off escape routes, herding prey into a maze of tactics. Once chosen, the prey has almost no chance. Picture a herd of wildebeest moving across cracked, dry plains. Suddenly, a soft growl, not to scare, but as a signal. In an instant, the pack explodes like a three-bladed arrow. One blocks the front, another pressures the side, a third stalks from behind. The faster the prey runs, the sooner it collapses from exhaustion. And at that moment, the kill is delivered, not with brute force, but with cold precision and merciless coordination. Statistics show their hunting success rate is between 70–90%. A number that even lions envy, averaging only around 25%. Not because they're stronger, but because they're smarter, more organized, and never act alone. Behind the brutal hunts, African wild dogs live with love and connection. They care for injured teammates, protect pups not their own, and share every bite of food. No fighting, no abandonment, they survive as a flawlessly bonded group. In a world where only the strongest survive, they choose to live for each other. And that may be the wild's most admirable strength of all. Despite having top-tier hunting strategies and a unity that demands respect, African wild dogs are not the absolute rulers of the unforgiving savanna. Instead, they are warriors, living surrounded by danger, where even a tail swipe or stomp from giants can be fatal. Under the blazing sun of the grasslands, lions, the prideful monarchs, are a constant lurking threat. Massive male lions don't just kill wild dogs to mark territory. They often slaughter pups with a single motive: dominance, no mercy, no compromise. Hyenas are brutal hunters who never play fair, breaking formations, harassing, stealing kills, and dragging even grown dogs into blood with their steel jaws. Leopards are silent and sudden, able to make a small rabbit vanish in the dark with one leap. Though silent hunters, hyenas also serve a vital role, keeping the savanna from rotting in corpses. They clean up, digesting bone and skin, things no other carnivore can handle. If you believe that nature is not only a place of instinct, but also of compassion, help spread the story of the African wild dog. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe, because every view is a voice for creatures fading into silence.